brothers and sisters. So last night I had a dream and I saw people in a performance. They were dressed in sequins and bow ties, and I saw fathers in the faith and mothers in the faith. I did see an elder from a church. He seemed somewhat disappointed that not more people from his church were there. So I wondered if we were in heaven. I wasn't sure if the sequined vests were just part of their performance or if it represented heaven's glory, angelic glory, but I think it was just a person dressed in a sequined vest. But we were rejoicing and singing and dancing, doing our best, and I believe, if it was a performance, especially if it was in heaven, it would be for the King, for King Jesus. But we were definitely preparing for the final show. There were maybe 2 to dress rehearsals left, and then the final performance. There was between 2, 3, 4, somewhere around there. But everyone was just so healthy and strong and happy and excited and energetic. And so it was a dress rehearsal, and then it was going to be the real thing. And then the lights went out, and there was a gymnasium where the lights went out. So I thought, well, maybe that's Earth. And then I thought, well, maybe the 3 to 4 performances represented the 3.5 years, because it could be the first 3.5 years before the Antichrist breaks the covenant, and then comes to power, and then everything gets dark. Or I thought perhaps the final 3.5 years before the final showdown, the Armageddon. So I thought maybe it could represent both of those periods of time that are 3 to 4 years, 3.5 years. And so I kind of was looking around on gotquestions.org, looking at more on Armageddon and more on the tribulation and each segment of time, and I just wasn't sure, so I thought, well, maybe I'll just have everybody put comments to try and kind of help me interpret this one. And I started to film the video earlier, and I just thought, I just don't think that's quite the right interpretation, and I just don't like, jumping on the bandwagon of what other people are doing in their videos. I just want it to be really clear from the Father. But then, all of a sudden, he reminded me of the last great day and the finale. It was all building up to the finale, and the finale of God's holy festivals, and the closing assembly. And assembly, we all have assemblies in school and the gym. The closing assembly, the last great day, the finale, is referred to that in Leviticus 23:36, the closing assembly. And it's the last festival of the year, and I believe it goes through Tuesday, which would be about 2 days from now. So this is Sunday, and I had the dream last night, so that would be the 3 to 4 days, I guess, maybe. It's the last festival of the year after the 7 days of Feast of Tabernacles. It's known as the 8th day, and 8 is symbolic of new beginnings, which I think new beginnings relates to my spring 2018 dream and vision. But I found it interesting that we were all singing, and I noticed that Psalm 118 is the song, the theme of the last great day. Psalm 118 is the theme of the last great day, and it's about, verse 1 is about opening up the gates of righteousness. And I did have a dream about a gate, waiting by the gate, the day before. And then verse 24 said, "This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it." So this is the day the Lord has made refers to the last great day. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. God bless you.